Alright, you know where I'm at. Got some stuff to take care of. Oh yeah. I'm looking for a Rayovac 3-pack of 9-volt batteries. I hate when the online app says they have something, and when you get to the store, they don't have it. Maybe they had it, maybe they sold it out. The $5.97 a piece. I feel real bad about buying these. I should go to Aldi or something. But since I'm here, I'm not. I also got 4 bags of ice melt. You know where we're at, so you know it's coming. So I might as well pick it up. Security even said, why did you? You don't have to pick it up now. I said, oh, it might snow tomorrow, so might as well get it. All right, you guys should also grab your air filters now, because you'll be turning on your heat depending on where you stay. I'm just gonna grab this one. It's not as good as the DuPont there, but I plan on replacing this one before the 90 days anyway, so I'm just gonna grab it because of the price. You know my motto, so it's the type of guy I am. So make sure you get your air filters and get your ice melt depending on where you stay, because you know once the snow hits, you won't have any in your home, and then it'll be too late. Also, wait. Sorry, turn around. Really going down the wrong way. You know the arrows are in the floor. Also, you should go ahead and get your heaters now. Plenty available. So if you need them, you should just grab whatever you need. 19 bucks, not bad. Under 20 bucks, not bad at all. So just grab the stuff you need now. That way, you know, or grab the stuff that you don't realize you need. So when you need it, you won't have to go out in the cold to get it. And this one is very good for a room, trust me. All right, that's it. I'm gonna get out of here. I can find some more better batteries at a better price. I'm telling you how to do it. Well, here comes something now in this aisle. Let's see. So this is how you want it to look. So I won't have any problems with salt. I'll just probably use the last of that, and then I got 4 bags. I doubt if I go through 4 bags during the winter. Hopefully not, but I got plenty. All right. Again, it's good to pick up stuff that you might need. So start making your list and things like that for next year. So even if you don't pick them up before the end of the year, have the list ready. So when March, April hits, and then that stuff will be on sale too. So make sure you're ready for everything. All right. You guys take care. Just a quick store run. Have a good day.